Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to parse a JSON text in JavaScript. Alright, so first of all, I have to have a JSON text. Alright, so I have written a JSON text, my details JSON. Okay, so when you have a JSON text, you cannot directly access it inside your code. First of all, you have to convert it into an object. For suppose I just want to console log and I want to access the name property of my JSON text. It will give me the undefined because we cannot access the JSON text directly. So first of all, we have to convert our JSON text into the JavaScript object. So how we gonna do that? I'm gonna create a variable here. And now what I need to do here, I'm gonna write JSON.parse and I will pass my JSON text here, which will simply convert our JSON into an object. Okay, alright, now I'm gonna simply console log my object in the JSON as well, and I want to access the name now. Alright, so now let's just run the code. So as you can see here, first of all, we have our JSON text, and when we try to access the property of a JSON text, it just turned me undefined value because we cannot directly access the JSON properties. So first of all, we have to convert it into an object. So we have converted it into an object, then we access the property of our object. Alright, so this is how it works, and this is how you can parse the JSON in JavaScript. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.